how do you actually use this in real life? Well, there are a couple of really simple use cases. In the field of robotics, reinforcement learning has exploded. Picking up the coffee cup and moving the coffee cup to a table, and then spilling it horrendously and scolding everyone around it. That is an example of a reinforcement learning algorithm trying to achieve the objective. Right, move the coffee from here to here, don't spill. If it spills, then you've got to go away and tweak the dials again and until it learns the right sequence and posture and all of the rest of it. So robotics is a really big explosion area for this type of algorithm. Autonomous driving, certainly in my industry, is a big one. So, am I going to program that in such a way that if it encounters those scenarios, it's going to do the right thing or react in the right way? So again, reinforcement learning, with that being sort of an exploratory approach rather than a static, if this, then this, it's becoming very prevalent in that type of universe. And I think that the most popular one at the moment that was it was Google DeepMind's fault, actually. They released a YouTube documentary that I think it won awards, called AlphaGo. So like many chess accolades before then, reinforcement algorithm beats world champion Go player, which is a really permutationally complex game, and beats convincingly, right? So that was what popularized the algorithm in the first instance. And since then, you've seen lots of use cases where the algorithm is learning how to play simple video games, and over a number of iterations is able to perfect the performance of that video game, where the objective is very simple, right? Beat the high score. And again, you'll see videos of level 1 of Super Mario being perfected better than any human player has ever done. So these are typically the areas of use that are very popular right now.